How to withdraw money from OKX to bank account. So if you want to withdraw money from your OKX to bank account, all you have to do is simply open up the OKX application here. Now if you have got some amount of fiat currency left and then you want to withdraw them to your bank account, you have to simply tap on the multiple dots icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From here, under Manage Assets, you have to simply go to Withdraw option. By the way, you must also make sure that your identity has been verified, because if it has not been, then you won't be able to withdraw. After you've selected that, select the fiat currency that you want to withdraw, add a payment method like maybe a bank or wire transfer, and select the bank, login, confirm, and you'll be able to withdraw the money to your bank account after going to Withdraw option. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.